Welcome to the WaveLinx LITE battery-powered wall station installation video.
The battery-powered wall station, or WWBL, is available in 3 different button combinations in various colors. Wall stations can also be ordered with custom labeled buttons if needed. So what's in the box? On top, you'll find instructions, and then the wall station. There'll be 2 screws to mount the wall station to a back box. Before installing the wall station, make sure to pull the battery tab so that the wall station will power up. An out-of-box or factory reset wall station's LED will blink green when buttons are pressed, then blue for good battery life, yellow for low battery life, and red for very low battery life. Now let's install our wall station. We'll use the supplied screws and a Phillips screwdriver to install our wall station into a back box. Pressing and holding the button in the lower right side for 5 seconds will cause the wall station to factory reset. Notice it blinks yellow when factory reset. Once provisioned using the WaveLinx LITE mobile app, the wall station will blink white and then indicate its battery life. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.